Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is some potatoes with some meat sauce. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cut half of a kilogram of potatoes and then add them into a bowl. Add some salt and pepper. Then add 2 garlic pieces, 1 tablespoon of whatever spices you want, and some sunflower oil, and mix it. Then close it and put it into the oven to bake for about 40 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. Let's make the sauce. 50 grams of chicken or whatever meat you like. 1 onion chopped in squares. 1 red bell pepper cut into small pieces. 150 grams of cheese, drain it, and add all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them. Then add 200 milliliters of sour yogurt or mayonnaise, some salt and pepper, and mix it very well. After 40 minutes, the potatoes are done. Add the sauce and let's bake it a bit more for about 15 minutes. And this is the result. Add some greens on top, like green onions or parsley, and you can serve it. It's such a delicious recipe and it's so easy to make and bake. You will love to prepare it. And if you like this video, and I hope you did, subscribe to my channel and like this video to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.